How to get your TikTok QR code. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. And then click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on settings and privacy, and from the account section click on QR code, and here you will be able to find your TikTok's account QR code. You can scan it or you can share it also and do a lot of other stuff. So that was it for this video. That's how you can find your TikTok's QR code. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.